Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to take a screenshot in Telegram private channels. So the first option that you can do is actually to press the power button plus volume up key and home button while pressing the power button at the same time. And you can capture the screen basically. So it's basically going to bypass the screenshot restriction on Android devices. So tapping on the screen right after taking a screenshot works, or sometimes volume down plus power button works. But if you're using an iPhone like me, the only thing you can do is try actually doing this in the app manager and then trying to take a screenshot or something like that. But basically, you can actually also try to screen record the actual thing and then doing this right there so you can see the content. And that's the only way I've found to actually take screenshots in Telegram private channels lately. So if you're doing that, you're doing pretty much sketchy things. I don't know. So just try it within those three options and maybe you'll get one.